Hi everybody, welcome to a haul video. I have a few things to show you, but I especially wanted to show you this, and I've not looked at it yet, so we're going to be looking at it together. What this is the Country Craft Creations Craftology box, and it's a subscription-based box that you can get every 2 months. Previously, it was just when they came out, you bought it, but they always sold out. So Tamara at Country Craft Creations is moving to a subscription-based version of it. Now, I'm going to tell you right up front, this is sold out. You may be able to get the things that are in it separately, but this is sold out. However, I wanted you to see it so that you could decide maybe if you wanted to subscribe going forward. I did purchase this. It wasn't given to me. It's not sponsored or anything, but it seems like there were a lot of questions about the box, so I thought I would do a unboxing, as it were. And then I also have a few other items I want to show you as well. I think it's all Christmas themed, so, or almost all. So let's go ahead and open this. Probably going to make a racket. Okay, made a noise. Sorry about that. Kind of setting that aside because I want to try and get all this stuff back in the box. Okay, so right off the bat, we have this beautiful ribbon. I love this sheer polka dot ribbon. And then we have the paper collection is Yuletide from My Mind's Eye. And we have this beautiful package with brads and some ribbon, velvet and cotton ribbon. We have a couple of Prima poinsettias. We have the 6x6 paper pad of the collection. I forget how much this cost. I want to say like $55, something like that. I'm not sure what the subscription fee is, but you can check it out on Country Craft Creations. And here we have the chipboards from the collection. These are so pretty. I don't know if you can tell, they're really sparkly with the silver. Oh, speaking of sparkly, okay. And these are the layered stickers. I don't know if you can see how dimensional they are. They're really neat. Like that. And then we have the ephemera, which comes with some little bells and some baker's twine. That's cool. There's that. And here is the collection. And it looks like we have extra sheets, so I'm not going to open this one. And it looks like it also comes with this set of tags in there. And, oh yeah, there is. Are they tags? Or, oh, they're stickers. It's a sticker sheet. Okay. I'm going to set this aside without opening it, because I think this is going to be the same papers. I need to find a spot. Thanks. There we go. Alright, so everything's covered with a little bit of glitter. That's fine with me. Alright, so we have this houndstooth. Oh, well, that's why it's covered with glitter. Wow. Okay, hang on. I think I'm looking at the back. Well, maybe not. I don't know. Well, let's start on this side. Alright, so we have this red. This is not foiled. It's like glitter. It's really cool. So these are snowflakes with centers in this glitter. And then we have almost a toile scenery print. And then we have that gorgeous page. This says just various Christmas sayings. And it looks like almost all these pages have glitter on them, which is amazing. And this one, so pretty. Oh, that's cute. This fa la la. Oh, this is gorgeous. I don't know if you can see on camera. It's green, like a ticking stripe, but the thin stripes are all silver glitter. All this glitter is silver, by the way. I don't think I mentioned that. Oh, wow. Speaking of glitter. Beautiful. And an old-fashioned Santa on the back. And this holly print is just divine. and that's got a houndstooth, and then it also comes with chipboards, 4 of them, I think. 3 or 4? 3. Okay, 3 pieces of the chipboard, and some red seam binding. And then it comes with a design and there's a tutorial online for a gorgeous project or 2. How many projects? What do you have? Oh, it looks like more than one. Beautiful, and a letter from Tamara. So that is the Craftology box. Let me gather all this stuff up. So if you had any questions about whether or not it was worth the money or something that you might want, I hope this helped you make up your mind. I personally feel like it was worth every penny that I spent on it, and I think what I'm probably going to do is set this aside so that I have a whole Christmas collection, enough to make several projects later on in the year, which I like to do. I like to have some Christmas things set aside to work on when it's not Christmas time. And I now have silver glitter everywhere, but that's fine. It's Christmas. It's to be expected. Now it's on the hands. Okay, I also wanted to show you this. Okay, now, if you go on to, and again, this is not a sponsored post. It's just I get a lot of my stuff from Country Craft Creations, and this is from there. And you go to the Project Kit section, which is, on the website. You will see what's called a slat sign, and it's a wooden sign. It says welcome across the top, and it has 2 magnets, one in the middle where this sign goes, and one down lower where this sled goes. But these pieces come together as a set, and they are just plain like that, and they come with the magnets. And you decorate them however you want, and then you use the magnets to attach them to the sign. And I have one in my front hall. My sister does too, in her front hall. And then you can get these little kits. They're like $6.95, I want to say, something like that, for all the seasons and holidays. And you just decorate them however you like for your particular sign. So I decorated this one using a collection called Muttcracker, which I'm going to show you in a minute, and also some scraps that I had from a photo play collection. This is some silver glitter paper that I had in my stash. These I did with actual glitter. I covered the pieces with double-sided tape, pulled off the back of the tape so they were sticky, and dipped them right in the glitter to glitter them. This is just a red paper that I used, but then I went over it with some Wake of Stella to make it a little sparkly. And then this is just a cut apart from the collection on some red cardstock. So I love this sign. It's one decoration I have right in my front hall. Change it out for every season. And there's a little drawer in my front hall table where I keep all of my seasonal sets of these. So that's that. Let me grab Muttcracker to show you. And I've already used it, as I just mentioned, so it's a little kind of messy. But I think this is still available, so I wanted to show it to you. Let's see. Okay, so it's a little bit cut up, but you can get the idea. It's a photo play. Here's some of the cut aparts. How cute is that? And there's some small cut aparts. And so this features pets, obviously. Lots of dogs, but also cats. I have cats, as you well know, so it's fine for me. And like I said, I made just that one little thing, and I think I'm going to do a folio out of what's left. I probably will not do a tutorial. There's the full sheet, just because it's something I want to knock out quickly for my sister. And there's another cut apart. Sorry, hit the lights. And I like this page. It's an advent sheet. It has all the countdown 1 to 25 with the adorable pets. And then let's see, we looked at this sheet already. And this one's cute. And it has a stripe on the back. And this is just some colored cardstock that I have no idea why it's in that pile, but it is. Let me put that aside. Oh, this is one of the scraps from last year that I used on that project. Here's the Muttcracker sticker sheet and the Advent sheet again. And I believe this is still available on Country Craft Creations. I'm not sure where else, but it's there. All right. Now, I wanted to show you these things, which I picked up at the Target dollar spot. So there are these little sparkly balls, different sizes in gold and silver. All these things were $1, I think. And these are just things I picked up for future projects. These adorable little wreaths. Remember, we used a wreath on our Christmas in the Country album. And I thought these little balls would be cute on the wreaths. And then I got some clips. I got these little gold ones. And then these red ones that say North Pole Express Post Office on them. And then these Christmas trees. I just thought these would be really cute to add to a Christmas album. So I grabbed them while I was there. And that was last week at the Target dollar spot. At my Target dollar spot. I'm tempted to go back and get more of these. Okay, so that is my haul. Again, the Craftology kit is available at Country Craft Creations, and I also strongly recommend you take a look at that slat sign if you haven't already. It's a wonderful decoration to have, especially if you don't have a lot of room. You don't need to buy something for Christmas and Easter and Thanksgiving and 4th of July and back to school, even happy birthday, all that stuff. You can just get one sign and then decorate different things for it. So that's that. And then the other things are from the dollar spot at Target. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this haul. And I will see you next time when we continue on with the Autumn Splendor album that I'm currently posting. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.